Alright, so now I just want to show off the Droid Incredible here with the Evo. I won't spend too much time going into the details of the device because it's pretty much the same feature-wise and software-wise as the Evo, but just showing you the one of the Verizon options, and HTC's other device here on the Android system. So it had the same camera more or less as the Evo, 8 megapixel dual LED flash. It looks like the video might be a little bit different. All I saw was wide VGA versus 720p as the highest video quality. I mean, we're talking about some very similar devices here, just mainly just the screen difference and the camera. It's lacking the front camera like the Evo has. Does seem to have a little bit more of a crisp screen, probably a higher pixel density because it's a smaller screen. But all in all, it's a really great device, really light. You said the battery, how's your battery on here? Pretty good.
For like a day, yeah.
So about a day's worth of charge. So I mean, I'm sure it's probably comparable to the Evo. And again, it's going to vary based on your settings. But a good device. Again, I just wanted to show it off here in comparison to the Evo. You get a chance to see the size difference, I guess. So there you go. From the side, so I'd say about the same thickness. Would you say? Yeah. Maybe a little bit. The Incredible might be a little bit more thin. Hard to tell with this weird layered back. I guess if you measure from the fattest point on there, it's probably about the same in thickness. Show them off that way. Charge port on the side. And also it doesn't have the HDMI port, but it does have same. It looks like micro USB, same micro USB charger. Again, all in all, very very similar phone. It does have a trackpad, which I honestly kind of miss, but not a huge difference. But it does have that touch sensitive trackpad, so it lets you get some navigation there built into the phone. Always so hard to navigate this through the camera. Load the cameras up on these, so I guess I need something to have in the camera. Put this iPhone 3G there. So there's the iPhone 3G through the Evo camera. And we got the Incredible camera. So I mean, probably hard to tell through the video, but comparable camera. Oops. Hit the back button. Take a quick picture. And don't take this as the phone's fault. That's me and my lack of ability to operate it. I didn't know it was actually a button. Apparently here it's actually a button and it's not touch sensitive. And then you have the Evo here, which again, I really like the trackpad on the Incredible because, for example like this, taking a picture, you don't have to touch the soft screen button. You get an actual button to press. Let's compare those pictures really quick. Let's see if I can get them both out here for you. So there we have the pictures on both, taken with both devices. So there's the Evo, Droid Incredible. So, not a terrible difference between the two cameras. The Droid Incredible does look like it has a little bit better color, the quality, the color in the picture, but there's a little bit more, maybe a little bit more crispness in the color of the Evo. Maybe it's really hard to tell. But beyond that, honestly, again, not too much to go over because they are more or less the same device, just in different form factors. There's a little video taken with the Evo, and see if we can get similar video here on the Droid Incredible. So you notice a little bit with the Incredible having a little bit of a challenge adjusting with the different light as it went there from the light shining through the window and then back to the darker. But aside from that, more or less, and you're picking up glare from my camera taking a picture of the camera, but so there you have it, the Droid Incredible and the Evo. Probably two great options, especially for people who don't like the size of the Evo or who are already on Verizon. But functionality wise, very, very similar. The Evo obviously is a little bit heavier than the Incredible, as you'd expect for the size differential, but There you have it.